Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, I will be showing you how to log out of your FedEx application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your FedEx application from your app drawer. Wait until the application loads up. If you are signed into your FedEx application and you would like to look for a way to log out of it, then first of all, go ahead and tap on your name at the top right hand corner of the home page. This will then bring up the settings menu, from where scroll all the way down, and once you find the log out button, simply tap on it. With just a click of a button, you will then be signed out of your FedEx application. If you ever want to log in back again, you will need to tap on the login or sign up link and follow through the login process. That is how you can easily log out of FedEx in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.